Do you think yoga is only stretching? Then you have been taught only half of the truth. An asana isn't simply a pose. It's a way to train your body, calm your mind, and preparation of meditation. Today, you will understand what an asana really is, why alignment and breathing matter, and I will teach you 4 foundational pose every beginner should master. Namaste everyone and welcome to our Ashtanga Yoga Beginner Series. If you have seen my previous episodes, you already know what yoga is and why it is more than exercise. If you have seen previous episodes, you already know what yoga is and why it is more than exercise. Today at day 4 we will know the real meaning of asanas followed by a practical session. So let's know what is an asana. A Sanskrit word asana means a stable and steady posture. According to Yoga Sutra of Patanjali, Sthiram Sukham Asanam. It means an asana should be steady, comfortable, relaxed and free from unnecessary tensions. The purpose of asana is not to impress others with flexibility. Its real purpose is to prepare the body for the long period of meditation. By creating strength, stability, balance and awareness. When your body becomes steady, your mind becomes automatically steady too. That is the true purpose of yoga. Let's know why alignment matters. Many people copy poses from social media. But yoga isn't means how deep you can go. It's about how correctly you move. Good alignments prevent injuries, activate the correct muscles, protect your joints, improve postures, increases balance. Remember, a simple pose done correctly is more powerful than an advanced pose done incorrectly. Do you know why breathing is important? Breathe is the bridge between body and mind. Never hold your breath while practicing yoga unless specifically instructed. A simple rule. Inhale while creating space or length. Exhale while bending, twisting or relaxing. When breath flows smoothly, energy flows smoothly. The moment when your breathing becomes forced, your body is telling you to slow down. Let's know about the common beginner mistakes. Here are some mistakes every beginner makes. Comparing themselves with others, holding the breath, forcing flexibility, looking around consistently, ignoring pain, practicing too fast. Yoga is not competition. Listen to your body. Progress happens with patience. So you know about what asanas is. In the next part, we will do some foundational beginners poses. So till that time, stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Namaste.